Good afternoon, everyone. Today we are talking about analogies and the types. What are actually analogies? They are the comparisons between two objects. There are 16 types of analogies. You'll come to know as we glide through the slides. So, as I said, analogies are comparisons. Let's take a look at the first one. Fork. You use a fork for eating. You need a chair for sitting. So we'll have to fill in the blanks. This is, of course, a solved one. Fork for eating, chair for sitting. You're comparing fork. What does the fork do? What is the fork used for? And what is the chair for? So the chair is for sitting and the fork is for eating. Now, as you see, cats have paws. Horses have hoof, knees, webbed feet, or toes. Easy. Horses have hooves. Some more analogy, simple one. You need socks for your feet. You need gloves for your, if socks is for your feet, gloves is for your hands. So this is what an analogy is. So the word analogy, the definition says that are words, relationships. An analogy is a comparison between two things. And the comparison is used to determine the relationship. Coming to the types of analogies, 16 kinds of relationships that analogies express. The first one is easy. Antonyms: up, down, low. If up can be down, low can be high. Synonyms: great, wonderful, sad, unhappy, part and whole. The trunk is the part of a tree. Whole and part. School, the whole school. The school has classrooms. Tools, it's action. Like crayons are used for drawing. Pens are used for writing. Simple as that. Tool user, the carpenter uses hammer. The teacher uses what? Chalks. Tools and objects is used with. You need a hammer to drive in nails. You need an eraser to erase something which you do not want to be seen. Categories, example, a dog is a golden retriever, and a goldfish is a fish. Black Molly is a fish. Now, Black Molly is the name of a fish category. Dog, golden retriever is a dog. Black Molly is a fish. That you will have to find learn a lot of antonyms, synonyms. Cause and effect category. Flood causes rain. Viruses cause flu. Cause and effect. If you practice, you will improve. Increasing intensity. Unhappiness, if it is intensified, it will cause misery. Decreasing intensity. Something which was very hot, it is decreasing, it becomes warm. Action, think acted upon. You read a book, you see a film, you write a story. If read equals to book, then write equals to letters. Action, subject performing. Performing action. Teach, teacher. Cure, doctor. 15. Object or place, its user. Chalk is used by the teacher. A stethoscope is used by a doctor. And 16. Noun, closely related adjectives. Elephants are enormous. Elephants are large. Ant is small. The characters, you know that all elephants are large, and you also know that all ants are tiny, small. So these are the types of analogies. The categories will come up again in another series of solved questions for analogies. So keep watching, and all technical questions are there for you. Understand and try to solve them. But first, know what are actually analogies. They are comparisons. To hear, the ear is to hear, the eye is to see. Start with simple analogies and move on to complex and advanced. Right? So that's all for today. We'll come back again tomorrow with some analogies, and this will take quite some time for you to understand, because you need to be solving these problems in your any kind of common entrance test. Keep watching.